Hello, congratulations. So you have successfully paid off your vehicle loan. But that lingering financed yes on the Vahan website signals the last leg of your journey. The hypothecation removal process is yet to be completed. Today, I'll guide you through our experience with KA51 RTO in Bangalore, acknowledging that the process may be different based on your RTO. Start by obtaining the no objection certificate, that is the NOC, from the bank where you held the loan. For us with the SBI, even when we were able to pre-close the loan over an email, a branch visit was required to get the NOC. However, it was just a 10 minutes process. We just walked in with the letter requesting the NOC and walked out with the necessary documents. But please remember that this is valid only for few weeks and you have to proceed with the next step as soon as possible. If I remember correctly, the NOC was valid for 90 days in our case.
Access the Vahan website, search for Vahan Parivahan or directly visit parivahan.gov.in. Navigate to online services, vehicle related services. From the list of states, select the state where your vehicle is registered. For example, Karnataka. Choose your RTO from the displayed list. Example KA51, which is electronicity RTO. Tick the I accept the terms of service and then click proceed. Once the pop-up comes up, click proceed again. From the list of services, select hypothecation termination. Now enter your vehicle number and the last 5 digits of your chassis number. Then click verify details. It will show you processing. Now once you click verify, confirm the last 4 digits of your registered mobile number. Click generate OTP and then close that pop-up. Now enter the OTP received on your mobile and click submit. Review your vehicle and financer details from the list. Select terminate for the appropriate vehicle. Select the NOC issue date from your bank and click save. Confirm the action by clicking yes to terminate the hypothecation. Now you can see the vehicle hypothecation termination details in the list below. Now further scroll down to view the fee detail. You need to pay this amount before visiting the RTO office. So now you can click pay now. Confirm the payment details and agree to the terms and proceed with the payment. After successful payment, you have to download the receipt and print both Form 35 and the fee receipt. Now you click on step 2, that is upload documents and agree to the terms. Now upload the NOC and the RC copy files. Verify the uploaded documents, then you can click proceed further button below. Now the last step is click final submit. This completes the online process. You will see a confirmation message, application submitted successfully. After completing all the online steps, you have to visit the RTO with the required documents to finalize the hypothecation removal process.
So what do you require for the RTO visit? So you have to gather 2 original copies of Form 35, 1 original copy of NOC, original RC in a Ziploc pouch, copy of the PUC, copy of the insurance, 2 copies of the fee receipt which you printed in the previous step, a self-addressed green envelope with stamps, and an ID or address proof. Local stationery shops near the RTO will have the items like pouches and files in the ready to go set. Some even offer assistance in completing the online process to get the NOC, but it is not at all difficult to do it yourself. With the documents in hand, go to the RTO building. Locate the document verification counter. In our case with KA51, it was counter number 5. A staff member will verify and tick your documents, and your file will be collected and you will receive an acknowledgement. Track your status online. After around a month, the request changes from pending to approved and then complete on the Vahan portal, and the FinanceTips entry should disappear. You will receive the new RC by post. If there is a delay, please visit the RTO office counter number 5 with the acknowledgement slip. And that's it. You have successfully navigated the paperwork and your vehicle is officially yours now. Subscribe for more valuable insights and click the bell icon for more informative and unbiased content. This is Vidya from Finance Talks TV signing off. Until next time, may your money glow brighter each day.